Hello and welcome to Bert's Imperfect Bakes, the channel where it's okay to not bake perfectly every time. I'm Bert and this week I'm going to be making a date crumble slice. So I'll just go and put the old apron on, and can we appreciate how much weight I've lost since March? That's over 1.5 stone, would you believe? So thin compared to the first episode. Anyway, I digress. Get yourself a wooden spoon. Give your soaked dates a bit of a stir. These have been soaking in some hot water for about 5-10 minutes. And then into another bowl add some flour and some soft brown sugar. Also I have some oats there with some cinnamon and nutmeg. No, that's a lie. What is it? Mixed spice, that's the one. Just pour that into the bowl, and then I discarded the cutlery for this one and utensils and got my hands involved. Gave that a good mix together. I just thought it was easier. That's what it looks like. And then add the butter. Again, used my hands for this one, but you know, you can use a utensil if you like. I think it is much easier with your hands though. Give the butter a good massaging into all the dry ingredients. Gets very messy though, so remove all jewellery. Unless you want pasty stuff on your jewellery. Get your greased and lined baking tray and pop some of the concoction into the base. Looks quite crumbly. And then I got a palette knife because I thought that might work in terms of flattening down, but no, it didn't. So in the end I decided to ditch the palette knife and use my hands to pat it down properly. Made sure I got it into all the corners. Flattened it all down nicely. And then once that's done, add the dates. I didn't add anything to the dates other than water. So I just scooped them out of their water. I didn't want to add too much moisture. And then spread them out as best you can. At this point I was thinking there wasn't that many dates. Looked a bit sparse. But we did what we could. And then add the rest of the mixture. Again, like an animal, just using my hands, just gathering mixture. Then I just pour the whole lot on top. And then flatten it out, make it look even, press it down a bit. Might be a few dates showing through, but that's fine. And then pop it in an oven which has been preheated to 180 degrees fan. Time wise, you're looking at 30 to 35 minutes, depending on your oven. This has been cooling now, so it's cooled completely, and this is what it looks like. Quite nice actually. Pop it onto a board. And let's get into it. Into squares. I'm going to try the least attractive looking one, and husband is outside strimming. Hello. This is a bit like a flapjack, or a fancy flapjack. highly recommend. So, if you'd like to, would you like to try some? So if you like this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you have any suggestions for anything you might like me to make in the next episode, please put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.